Hello YouTube and welcome knife enthusiast. I knew I had another petrified fish and I found it. It's a PF979 OW or I have had this open before, so it came with the same stupid thing here I took off. And this one came with extra screws. I did not see no extra screws in this one. No extra screws in this one. Well, that's cool. In case you ever strip out your screws. And this one here is an amazing Spidey flick. This is one of the easiest knives to Spidey flick. Love this knife. I've carried it quite a bit. So it has a G10 handle. Deep carry pocket clip. I'm assuming this is a Raptor. Neither of the other ones have a name on the clip. Oh wait, that one had the designer's name, I think. Looks like David Chen. So it's in D2, PF979. Awesome knife. Just absolutely amazing action. Really cool flipper tab too. Black G10 backspacer. Now, unless it has a thumb stud, I am not good at thumb flicking, but we'll give it a try. Oh, almost. Yeah. It's actually really easy. Most knives with a big Spidey hole in them like that, I cannot thumb flick them. But this one, it's very easy to thumb flick. And the way the flipper is, your hand stays out of the way of it. It feels really natural. And the Spidey flick is extremely natural feeling. I'm not sure how much this knife is. I forgot to look any of these up. I'd like to say it's between 32 and 38. All my knives I get from Amazon or eBay. So somebody asked me earlier, always check Amazon and eBay because the price can vary quite a bit. Sometimes you'll have a company like White Mountain Knives or something on eBay that might have this on sale. So it might be 38 on Amazon and only 32 on eBay. I think this is one of their more affordable knives. Their knives range between like $30 and $50. Like right around there is a sweet spot for a petrified fish. I think all these are right around $30, but really impressed with all of them. They all have awesome action, awesome ergos. So I guess we can do a size comparison with this. Got the Ontario Rat Model 1. The Ontario Rat Model 2. So it's a little bit smaller than the Ontario Rat Model 1, but not bad. Still a very, very good size knife. I carried this on me for quite a few days, and I really enjoyed it. I loved the action. I loved everything about it. I had no complaints. I will be honest and tell you guys if I have any complaints. So how about it against a QSP Penguin? One of the best EDC knife I recommend everybody has at least one in their collection. Even if you just want one cheap everyday carry knife, you can't beat this for $32. You just cannot beat the action. Love it. About the CRKT Fossil. Got a mirrored edge on this. Awesome, awesome knife. Carried this one a lot on me. And this is a beast of a knife. It's a big knife. Love the texture on this one. Really, really like the CRKT Fossil. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, the Fossil. I know that. Drop shut. Of course, that one's very well broken in. How about the Concept Cryo? Pretty damn close in size. If you have a Concept Cryo, you know it's an awesome, awesome EDC size. Very, very fidgety knife. About the Kubi Curve. One of my favorite EDC knives. Love the Kubi Curve. Man, I see a little bit of similarity here. The millwork on the pivots. Wonder if these don't come from the same factory. The size on it. Three-inch blade. Almost 4 inches overall with the choil. Awesome sharpening choil. You'll get a lot of sharpening life out of this. They're far enough away from the plunge grind. You're going to be able to sharpen this baby forever. Well, for quite a while. Stays pretty thin behind the edge. About 8 inches overall. Guess we can get a weight on it real quick. And we're on ounces. 4.4 ounces. So under 5 ounces, a little over 4. It's really thin though. It's definitely a lot thinner than either of the other petrified fishes I got. This is a real heavy fat one. It's hard to believe they got holes drilled out of the liners as much as this baby weighs. Awesome, awesome action. See if it's sharp. I've used it a lot. I don't think I've sharpened it Doesn't look like quite a mirrored edge or quite the angle I put on it. I like to put a 18 degrees angle. But, oh yeah. It is definitely sharp. Maybe I've stropped it or something. Wow. I don't think I've sharpened it. I know I've used it, because I've carried it quite a bit. I just like driving down the road fidgeting with this. I got a 35-minute drive to work, so there and back home gives me over an hour every day that I could be fidgeting with a knife. Not to say I fidget with a knife the whole time I drive. That could be dangerous. Let's compare it to the giveaway knife. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and go back, watch one of my previous videos. I posted a video on a giveaway for this Sativian ST131 in micarta. And for a $30 knife, you cannot beat this thing. I just love the ergos on it, love the action. Very, very fidgety knife. So easy to do the reverse flick. Immediately falls back on the detent track and is just drop shut. So make sure you go back, watch the video, get entered in the giveaway for my 100 subscriber giveaway for the Sativian ST131. And I can highly recommend this Petrified Fish. The PF979. You can actually use that front choil to choke up on it. Something about this blade shape, I love it. Of course, you can get it in different color configurations, I'm pretty sure. So, I'm not sure how to leave links. So, all my knives come from either Amazon or eBay. Don't really purchase knives anywhere else. So, if they're available, anything I show on my videos, you will be able to find on eBay or Amazon. I don't think you can leave eBay links. I've never seen a YouTuber leave links to an eBay. In order for me to leave links as a creator to YouTube, I have to start a Amazon affiliated page. And I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So I've tried, and that's the only way I would be able to leave Amazon links. And I just can't figure that out. Or maybe you need like 1,000 subscribers for it to even be an option or something. I don't know. So if you do know, let me know. You get a hold of me on TikTok or on my email or something, and we could discuss that, or you could help me figure it out. That'd be great. But as of right now, I have no idea how to leave a link. So, and I try to tell you how much I pay for them, if I can remember. If you ask me down in the comments, I can let you know if I remember. Or you can just look up the knife and see what it's going for. It seems like the past year, every time I look up certain knives, it seems like the price is going up and up and up. There's knives that started out at like 25 or 27 bucks just a year ago when I started collecting, and now they're going for 32 or 35 or 37. Some that I could have picked up for 25 or 30 are now going for like 50 bucks. So, of course, we'll blame it on inflation, but I'm sure that does have a lot to do with it. So, but anyways, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the like button, always leave comments, and stay sharp.